Hi, this is Dollar Day Trader, my trading recap for Tuesday, March 17th, 2020. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Hope everyone had a green day, pun intended. Second time I used that today, that corny joke. So anyway, I traded one stock today, and that was ROKU. Pre-market, it was gapping down. I did like the gap down. I did like this is definitely a well-known trading stock, and this is really my nemesis. In all honesty, I had my worst day ever trading this stock. When I did my first live trade recording, a recap, I should say, and I lost a lot of money. Like, it's kind of embarrassing, and it can happen again because no one's perfect. But it definitely humbled me, and I realized, like, wow, I'm not ready to really trade like I was, and I definitely learned over the time a lot about myself and my trading behavior since then. So it was a little apprehensive, but I was like, you know what? It's been a while since I've traded ROKU. Let's see what we got. So we'll start with the pre-market here. Really key are these price levels that are marked in the pre-market. As we can see here, I did some trades, and you see these markings. But they make sense. So here we saw this long wick extension with some decent volume at around 842. It touched around, let's say, 60, 81, excuse me. And then we see here, if I zoom out, pre-market low, around $58. So now we go back into our trade when the market opens. Excuse me here. So, first minute, look at that volume. 361,000 shares, 355,000 shares, around 360 approximately. A lot of volume, but no movement. There's like a struggle going on here. And then the one thing that kind of sneaks out here is this wick, which it touches the $60.82 mark, and it comes down. So that to me was a test of rejection that did not want to pop up. So I definitely had some short bias here. So I took a short position the next minute around 60.24 with this level as my stop loss. So it's somewhat tight given the ATR of this stock. And it came down. It came down pretty fast. So I covered really quickly at 59.16 all the way down close to this pre-market low level here around 58.24. Then I got a little greedy. Thought, okay, it's pulling up. I think it may continue to go down. So I took a too early of a short position here at 59.05, and I even doubled, not double my position, but I doubled or nothing in terms of doing another short, kind of going backwards here, which isn't ideal, at around 59.82, with this being my stop loss, this 200-day moving average. And so I got stopped out. It popped up, volume was coming, and I took a L there. But because there's so much volume popping up, I reversed the position. This was another level here, and I went long at 60.82, sold all the way up to 62.39. So that was pretty big move. Came back down. Was thinking maybe it'd come down more. I could add the position, and then we can see a lift here, kind of like a really quick ABCD pattern on the long side, and then sold. I got a little nervous as we kind of didn't break around this level, just kind of hovering it within this candle. And then I sold, and luckily that was it, because then it came down. So first trade was my live trade, and I was done. I didn't make a ton of money, but I liked the trade, and I was happy with it. I went to Sim, and I've been doing pretty good with Sim when I shift over to Sim after doing my live trade. Usually having a pretty decent P&L. Just trying to practice. When the day comes, I hopefully can do larger share size consistently. I think it's going to come soon. Right now, I was very impatient in the beginning. I was like, oh, I want to be live trading. After, so many 3 months, I think, and then I fell on my face. So lesson learned there. But now I'm kind of the opposite, almost like taking it too slow, perhaps. But there's nothing probably considered too slow when you're day trading, because you definitely, at least I want to do this long term, not try and just try it really fast, burn out, and quit it. So I definitely want to take time, hone the craft, and get better, like each and every one of us. So I hope everyone else has a good day, a green day. Be safe out there. During these pretty difficult times, especially out in other countries, and then here now in the U.S. It's getting definitely hectic with all the closures and stuff to hopefully stop the spread of this virus. and get better, and then hopefully just kind of focus on trading itself and life can go back as normal. So be safe, everyone, and I will talk to you later.